Welcome to the Success Coach. My name is Shadow Sheep, and on this playlist, we are going to go ahead and start painting. By the way, this is the intro, so we're not really going to paint everything here. So first, let me tell you what is the benefit of painting. The benefit of painting is that it lets your kids it tells their emotion and feelings, so that you don't need to say, "Are you sad?" They could just draw a sad face, and then it would be like that. But what are primary colors, and what are they? Oh, primary colors, the colors are for primary colors are red, yellow, and blue. Yes, red, yellow, and blue. And we can learn a lot of stuff in this playlist. So, I can't wait to get started. But first, I have a little bit more to tell you. What about this? There's lots of different colors. Primary colors, secondary colors, and many more than that. So for an example, let's say all the colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, indigo. And those are all the colors. And pink, and purple, and black, and white. So, I can't wait to get started.
What are the benefits of painting, Shadi? Would you please
sure.
add those things?
The benefits of painting are promotes stress relief, expands creative growth, bolsters memory, enhance problem solving and motor skills. Yes, those are all the things that is the benefit of painting. So I can't wait to get painting. Let's get started. Let's get painting. First, you want purple. How with the red card you can make something else like lines? We're gonna mix up that. Yes. Wait, it's his turn now. Oh, yeah. That's not what I was gonna. Maybe we gotta get more paper. It's okay. This is enough. So, get more paint. I have some blue.
You can mix it up so you can get more paint. It's gonna come out if you mix it up.
Blue plus white. This plus that. Make sure you don't try them up.
Oh, Amir, you mix it up? Don't mix them.
Well, I want.
See when they mix it?
It's choosing white. Look, kind of purple. It's his turn now, okay? Kind of so he's the only one who's supposed to. I need some blue, so I'll get lots of blue. You do? Uh-huh. This is just like the stream. So what are you gonna make? Anything like I want. I don't know the name of it. Well, tell me, what does it look like? It looks like
What's your name?
line. Oh, Daddy, put some paint.
That's okay.
It's
not
okay.
gonna be a problem.
Yeah. If it gets dry.
You can get away by water. Just be careful, Mahfouz, okay?
I don't want it to get dry.
Yeah, so leave this one and dry.
If you want it to be dry, you have to put wind, right?
No.
Kind of wind over there. So make sure you have lots of blue. I like the pink and the purple. The pink, especially the purple. Well, you can't use the pink. It's too little to do. It's okay. But when it's my turn to paint, I'll paint. Well, Charlie, what's blue? Oh, and I know exactly what to paint. What?
Shadi, let me ask you a couple of questions.
Yes.
So the first question I have for you, what is the benefit of painting for kids? Would you please explain that?
Sure. The benefit of painting is that painting it lets babies know what they want. Like for an example, if they want a boat, a toy boat, they can draw it and then they'll say, "Look, I have a toy boat." But not really in English because they can't talk. They will just say with their emotion, like that. So that's the benefit of painting.
Exactly.
Like emoji.
Okay. How about that? For example, sometimes you're happy and sometimes you draw something sad face. So how about those things, Ashad? Is that way of expressing
Well, yes. Yes, it is a way of expressing your feelings.
Okay, okay, great. I also heard when you talk about coordination.
Coordination.
What are those coordination? They help you to learn your coordination, which is
Yes. Hand-eye coordination.
Okay.
Hand-eye coordination.
Okay.
Yes.
That's really important
Really important.
skill for kids.
Yes.
Right. So because if you be able to coordinate your hand with your eye, is one of
Hand
skill, right?
with your eye.
Exactly.
It is a skill.
Okay. Okay.
Ooh,
Great.
good job. This is lots of artwork. Wow, I like this paint. It's dry. No, it's not really the chalk. It's a chalk now. The chalk, a chalk picture. Well, that was like an upside down question mark without a dot. Well, I can make it out for it. Ooh, I wonder what you're going. You made the number 5. You made a blob. No, I wanted to make that. I wanted to see what it equals to this. It equals red. Do it equal red? Or does it equal black? Nothing. It equals light blue. See? Or purple. I know purple. Actually, not purple. I think I see something. If you look so closely, I look like oh, blue plus pink equals purple. Blue plus pink. See this? It equals purple. I knew that. Right. Hey, but now since this is Amir's turn, let him have it. It is dry. Wow, everything's dry now. And it's getting accept that. And it's getting chalk. Yeah. And it's getting look at the pink. Oh, wow, it looks like beautiful. Can I see? Oh, yeah.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm gonna show you right here. This is the pink. So and the purple. They mix it up.
Pink.
Yes.
Wow, now the chalk is melting. If you can see inside.
Want to talk about a couple of things here.
Yes.
You are watching the Success Coach.
Success Coach.
Which is founded by Shadia Rashid, who is really helping kids to be good at a number of things. Shadia, yes. What are the things you helping in Success Coach?
One thing a lot of things I'm doing is letting them learn how to paint, learn Arabic letters, and many more. And exercise, of course. Physical exercise.
What is the benefit of physical exercise?
The benefit of physical exercise is that it can grow new nerve cells and blood vessels.
Mm-hmm.
And it also grows your body too.
Okay. Awesome.
Also, it also improves your memory so that you can remember stuff. That's why every day I do exercise, especially push-ups, so that I can get memory. That's why I remember everything that we have.
Listen.
Wow, lots of paint.
Gently. When you do that,
Gently.
let me show you guys how to paint. Shadi, can you show us?
Sure. This is how you paint. Do not do it too hard.
Yes. There we go. You see how beautiful it is?
See, it looks
just
beautiful
like that.
Like that.
Mm-hmm. Even though, here we go. Just like that.
Don't push it too hard like that.
If you push it too much,
a little bit.
Yes.
Not like that. Let me show you. See, look at me. I'm purple, so you can get any purple.
Get some more paint, Shadi.
Yeah, I guess it's a little bit too.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching Shadia Rashid's Success Coach. She's helping the kids today how to paint so that they can express their emotion, they can express a number of their feelings. By the way, painting helps children acquire skills like how to focus on trivial details. Painting also on canvas or like piece of paper, what they are doing right now is help them in variety of skills. So they can be great at podium for kids to progress and discover their creativity. Especially these kids, they like to create a number of things here. What they do right now, they just expressing their emotion with paint, with the different textures. They have blue there, and they also have pink and purple.
I'm gonna make the dark.
In between, I will talk to the founder of the Success Coach, Shadia Rashid. In between, she's really helping these two boys, Mahfouz and Amir. Shadia, would you please come and tell us a little bit about the benefits of painting? What is really important for kids when they paint?
Yes, the benefit of painting, it makes them so happy and they start to, yes, they do many stuff. And among the various aspects that painting allows you to cover, some of the greatest benefits integrated with painting are: painting can help your children communicate with their emotions and feelings. Like right now, if Amir would write a sad face, that means he would feel sad. Through the use of different colors, they can express themselves without the use of words. Isn't that amazing? It is. Painting allows children an educational opportunity that is also fun and exciting. So, what do you want? That's okay.
That's okay. We can wash it. Yeah.
Painting aids children acquire hand-eye, just as I told you earlier, coordination, an important skill in their age.
What is hand-eye coordination,
Oh,
Shadia?
hand-eye coordination. It means that there is a coordination and it is hand-eye, with your hand and your eye.
Can you give us an example of hand-eye coordination, like putting a thread into a needle? Have you tried that?
Never.
Yeah. That's
Never.
one example of hand-eye coordination. Because when you get
Just
old,
like here. Hand-eye
exactly.
coordination.
So
They use their hands, but usually they see it with their eyes. Hand-eye coordination.
right.
This is developed while they learn to paint the parts that they see, making sure their hand movement is at par with their vision. Yes. Painting aids will help your child develop mobility skills. Their hand muscles are being used, which allow them to a scope to develop both mentally and physically.
Great.
Yes.
Look at them now. They're using their hand muscles and their eye as well, which is really great, Shadia.
That's good. Make sure you do it lightly. I'm. You touched me with your paint. It's okay. No, I just need to wash my hand. The drink gets dry.
Okay,
Real life.
you can wash it, but
Put it off.
it may not be a problem. You can
I
wash it
think I'll
later,
just
but
do
if you decide, you can do it.
it.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are watching the Success Coach, founded by Shadia Rashid. She's helping today a number of kids here painting. Painting will give you a number of benefits, especially for kids. Especially, it can help them on their developmental skills on hand-eye coordination, so they can express their feeling. And also, it is really helpful. They can play like a number of role of therapy for children. This might be like feeling different emotions, whether these feelings are like subtle or extreme in nature.
And
So-
also, it helps you to, and also, like for an example, let's say that you were making lunch and your children was a little bit disturbing you. You can let them paint anywhere they like, so then they could enjoy, have fun, and they could be relaxed and have lots of fun with it.
Another thing, Ashadi, I want to point out is the benefit of improving their mood, kids' mood.
Yes.
What else you can tell us in related with the benefit of painting, Asharia?
Well, yes, the benefit of painting, it helps children communicate with their emotions.
Right.
It improves their mood. 3, it helps develop hand-eye coordination. 4, it helps develop mobility skills. 5, it teaches them how to focus on trivial details.
Trivia details. Yes,
Trivia
that's
details.
right, detail. So, for example, so the small things. When you paint, for example, you may paint all the little stuff, right? That's called trivia. Trivia,
Yeah,
like
trivia.
little stuffs. Great, great.
I did that in coding one day.
Mm-hmm.
It was called Trivia Chatbot, and you need to create one out of code, like when you needed to chat with them. like hi, then after they will reply back hi.
Great.
Good, you're back. But why did you write on my side?
So,
You only got to write on your side. Well, I have to write on
it's okay, Amir. What we can do now, Amir, we can do this. We can continue.
This is your side, okay? So then you need to write on only your side. And you can write on your side, which is here.
This is really great. Thank you very much, everyone, for watching the Success Coach.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more videos. Bye! See you next time!
Oh, before that, Ashadi, if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe so you can have a lot of new episodes when you upload.
Oh, and don't forget, not just only you subscribe, but also click the bell. So, have fun!